Good afternoon from Hackensack. It's a dreary day today. We have rain coming. Haven't seen the sun all day, and so the best way to lift my spirits is with a simple dish of pasta with garlic and oil. So we have extra virgin olive oil from Spain, warming up in this large non-stick pan. Be adding a lot of garlic to it. This dish only has about 6 ingredients: garlic, oil, pasta water, parsley, and Parmesan cheese. I'm making a couple of changes. Instead of using spaghetti, I'm going to be using this spinach, this tagliatelle nest made with spinach. The cooking time for the pasta is only 5 3/4 minutes, so the plan is to cook it to about 4 minutes, and then finish it in the garlic, oil, and some pasta water. This is about a half a pound of pasta, so I want to use a generous amount of garlic. I've seen a lot of recipes for this dish, but very few of them talk about quantity. So how much pasta, how much water, how much oil, how much garlic. You just have to sort of judge it by yourself. I've added about 1.5 cups of the pasta water to stop the garlic from getting too browned or burned. I'm going to put the pasta in a few minutes. Okay, the pasta is in. I just used a pinch of salt and some vinegar to prevent it from sticking. I drained the pasta after about 3.5 to 4 minutes. And now I've added it to the mixture of garlic, pasta water, and extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to cook that a couple of more minutes until it's al dente. Then add the cheese and the parsley. I love these short kitchen tongs. I bought a set of 4 of these at the Costco Business Center, which is just a couple of miles from my home. I have a couple of longer tongs. I don't even use them anymore. These are fantastic for just grabbing things, sauteing, turning. Okay, so perfect. I have lots of parsley here. It's pretty much perfectly al dente after a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's soaked up virtually all the liquid. Parmesan. So there's the finished dish, tagliatelle nest, spinach pasta with garlic, oil, pasta water, parsley, Parmesan cheese. Wow. Enjoy.